Best deals. 1. Puttu Maker. Made from premium grade stainless steel, this cooker is rust resistant, durable, and hygienic. Designed for long-term use in Indian kitchens. Simply attach, fill with flour and coconut, and steam soft puttu in minutes. Features a heat-resistant handle for safe and easy handling. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Containers. Designed to store multiple spices. Features an airtight seal to keep spices fresh, with a mirror finish for a sleek look. Each container has a see-through lid for easy identification. Ensures spices remain fresh by preventing moisture and air exposure. Mirror finish, sleek and stylish with a polished stainless steel exterior. Durable design that resists rust, maintaining its quality over time, perfect for keeping your spices organized, fresh. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Griddle Fry Pan. Is pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. Regular seasoning creates a chemical-free natural non-stick surface for low-oil cooking and prevents the food from sticking. Flat surface on one side, and grill ridges on the other. Flat tawa for making dosas, rotis, chilla, uttappam, etc., and ridged grill for searing, roasting, and barbecue. Uni-body one-piece design with easy pouring lips on the grill side. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Sink Drain. Features SAS 304 stainless steel outer ring and durable plastic components for long-lasting performance and corrosion resistance. This modern drain solution features a convenient pop-up stopper with an integrated filter basket, designed for effortless maintenance. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tawa. Capable of withstanding high heat, the pan excels at retaining and distributing heat evenly. Rough and tough by design, the pan is built to withstand the use metal ladles without fear of damage. The pre-seasoning prevents rusting and enhances the natural non-stick properties of the pan. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Towel Holder. Foil rack has strong load-bearing capacity of 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Oil Dispenser. Crafted from food-grade, rust-resistant stainless steel, ensuring durability, hygiene, and long-lasting performance. The sturdy, well-designed handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, making pouring effortless and reducing the chances of accidental slips or spills. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Microfiber Mop. Super absorbent microfiber pads clean marble, tile, granite, wooden laminate floors in one swipe. Use wet for deep mopping, pocha, or dry for daily dusting. TPU wiper blade instantly dries bathroom and kitchen floors, removing 99% water for a streak-free, slip-free, shiny finish. No bucket needed for quick cleaning. The 360-degree swivel mop head reaches under beds, sofas, cupboards and tight spaces effortlessly. Telescopic stainless steel rod adjusts from 3 to 5 feet to suit your height. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Airtight Clip. Lock in freshness and protect food from moisture, ants, and air exposure. Perfect for snacks. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Ice Bucket. Features a double-walled stainless steel design to keep your ice chilled for longer. Hammered exterior adds an elegant touch. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Steamer. Made from high-quality stainless steel with triple base for efficient heat distribution, includes heat-resistant silicone handles for safe handling. Multipurpose cookware set featuring rice strainer, idli plates, and steamer with glass lid, perfect for cooking rice, idlis, and steaming vegetables, 4-liter capacity with 22 cm diameter and 27 cm height, ideal for family cooking needs with multiple steaming layers. Dishwasher-safe components with see-through glass lid for easy monitoring, sturdy side handles for secure grip and transport. Includes 6-piece set with main pot, strainer insert, steamer layer, 4 idli plates, and glass lid, all stackable for compact storage. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Mini jar. Crush ice, frozen fruits, seeds, leafy greens, and more with this portable blender for smoothies and juices. Works as a compact juicer grinder for fruits, protein shakes, and even as a coffee blender. 30-second pulse mode for fast blending, double press for pulse mode that finishes blending in seconds. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Table cover. This tablecloth uses natural and environmental friendly dyes, perfect for dining occasions and does not harm to children and pets. Simple design, elegant and suitable for a variety of occasions, like dinner table, book desk, coffee table. Wipe clean with a damp cloth, machine washable in cold water and gentle cycle, lay flat to dry. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Soup maker. Heats, boils, blends and mixes automatically to give you a perfect, tasty and healthy soup within 20 minutes. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Lunch box set. Bring an innovative and premium upgrade to the regular steel lunch. Featuring a unique all-steel seal type laid 0.100% leak-proof and airtight. Easy locking. Easy to fit and store with a carry bag. Keep these containers all together safely in a bag. It'll ensure the longevity and portability of this product. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Organizer. Customize the interior space to fit clothes, shoes, bedding, or seasonal items with ease. Protects your belongings from dust, dirt, and moisture while keeping them fresh and clean. Quickly identify stored items without unzipping or opening the organizer. Slim, low-profile design that slides easily under most beds, sofas, or cabinets. Sturdy handles for easy access. Reinforced handles allow you to pull out and carry the organizer effortlessly. Foldable and lightweight, easy to collapse and store away when not in use. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Waffle maker machine. Make 4 delicious waffles in minutes for everyday meals. We listened when one waffle was not enough. Now you can make up to 4 of your favorite waffles in a fraction of the time with the waffle maker. Not only will your waffles cook quickly and evenly, but the waffle maker non-stick cooking plates will leave no batter stuck behind. The non-stick coating surface makes Primolite's waffle irons easy to clean with a wet wipe or damp cloth. Simply plug it in and go, it heats up in minutes. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cups. Food grade quality materials which are strong enough, the high grain density which can work for the longer time. Easy grip handles ensure easy maneuverability and control. Long handles for easy reach into spice bottles, small jars. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Storage jars. Free from harmful chemicals such as BPA and melamine. No toxic chemicals are used in manufacturing, making it safe for storing food. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Metal ladder. This foldable step stool comes fully assembled and is easy to open and close within seconds. It folds down to only 2 inches, making it convenient to store behind doors. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Washing tub. Is suitable for washing small and delicate clothes. The ridged surface of the washboard helps hand wash and remove stains, saving time and effort. You don't have to wait for all the clothes to get dumped to put them in the washing machine. Instead, you can easily wash the ones you need quickly. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cooker. No harmful chemical coatings, 100% toxin-free. Food-grade colored exterior, even heat distribution enables fast cooking which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for sure. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. No dents or bulging. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Hair dryer holder. Crafted from durable metal, this wall-mounted hair dryer holder offers a sleek and practical storage solution for your hair dryer and styling accessories. It keeps your hair dryer, styling tools, and small accessories neatly arranged in one place, perfect for bathrooms, salons, dressing rooms, and more. Made from durable steel. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Feather Duster. With long rod as 100 inches telescopic rod dusters for home cleaning. This home essentials products effortlessly cleans high areas like ceilings and fans, cobweb, vents, cleaning essentials you need among all house cleaning products. The bendable head of fan cleaner is sturdy enough to bend in various angles. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Kitchen Counter Pan Rack. Organize pots, pans, and lids with 8 adjustable tiers to create a tidy and spacious kitchen. Fits on countertops or inside cabinets. Adjustable and customizable storage. The 8-tier design allows you to easily adjust shelves to fit various pot and pan sizes, providing flexible and personalized kitchen storage solutions. Durable and sturdy design, made from high-quality metal, this rack ensures long-lasting use. It securely holds heavy pots and pans, keeping your kitchen essentials safe and organized. Versatile storage solution, use it as a countertop organizer, under sink storage rack, or in kitchen cabinets. Perfect for keeping tawa, rice pots, and utensils within easy reach. Easy to set up in use, simple installation with no tools required. Stack and store your cookware effortlessly, making it ideal for quick and convenient kitchen organization. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Pot Holders Trivets. Superior quality eco-friendly cotton fabric, quilted with thick cotton for daily use and wash product. A 2 inches hanging loop at the corner makes it simple to hang it from any hook after you finish using. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Diffuser. Electric dope burner for home are a beautifully ornate way of filling your rooms full of wonderful fragrances. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Coffee Maker. You can prepare dense and creamy coffees and cappuccinos like those in the bar. Filter holder with 4/2 cup filter and essay pod filter, to use both ground coffee and essay pods. Easy to clean, tray and water container are removable to ensure quick and easy cleaning of the machine. A vintage touch to your kitchen, elegant and refined design, metal finishes, pastel colors enrich your kitchen with a touch of unmistakable style. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Electric Kettle Dispenser. Busy moms will love the convenience of instant hot water for coffee, tea, or baby formula. With auto and manual dispense buttons and a quick heating system, electric hot water pot saves valuable time during those hectic mornings or late night feedings. The Keep Warm feature maintains the perfect temperature for hours, eliminating the need to reheat or wait for the kettle to boil. Plus, adjustable temperature control allows you to customize the water temperature for various beverages, making it perfect for busy moms who want it all. With a 5-liter capacity, you can prepare 30+ cups of hot water, ideal for large families or entertaining guests. The insulated stainless steel design ensures durability and keeps the water hot for extended periods, while also being easy to clean. The electric hot water pot is perfect for busy moms who need a versatile appliance that can cater to multiple needs, from preparing instant oatmeal, soup, or noodles to providing warm water for a relaxing bath. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Coffee Mug. Free from harmful chemicals like BPA, melamine and no toxic chemicals used in manufacturing. It is also dishwasher safe and microwave safe for quick reheating purpose. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Aroma Diffuser. Realistic and coolest small train shape essential oil diffuser humidifier for any train lover. It is made very detailed and well designed. There are 2 speed options for the diffusing dispersion operation, low and fast. You can pick 3 lighting options, none, warm and blue. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Iron Fry Pan. Patented titanium-infused enamel coating offers superior durability, enhanced stick resistance, and a lasting finish that stands up to everyday use. 100% non-toxic, free from PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead and cadmium. Cooks safely without any harmful chemicals. Even heat distribution ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. Compatible with all cooktops, works on gas, induction, ceramic, electric stoves. Triple patented enamel technology, with 4-layer Enviromax enamel-coated cast iron, it resists rust, handles high heat daily use, and maintains its stunning finish for years to come. No seasoning needed, all the benefits of cast iron without the seasoning hassle. Multifunctional marvel, does it all from curries, to stir-fries and flatbreads. Everyday versatility, from quick stir-fries and fluffy omelets to seared meats and flatbreads, built to keep up with your fast-paced rhythm. Ergonomic beechwood handles, lightweight, heat-resistant, and crafted for a comfortable, confident grip. Safe on all cooktops, compatible with gas, ceramic and induction. Built with a 4-layer Enviromax enamel coating, it is 100% non-toxic and certified safe under FDA, LFGB, and AIC standards. Product link is given in the 30-second link.